Good evening, everyone. I am a happy man. I just got done diagnosing probably one of the worst ABS codes you could get, which is a short to ground on the commons circuit for the modulators. These ABS systems, this is a Bendix system. It uses a common wire, which is pretty much a ground, you could almost say, but it goes right back to the module, ABS module, and it has all your 6 modulator valves on it, has your traction control valves on it, has your hill start assist sensors and stuff on it. It's just a pretty big code, and all those circuits are all part of each other. So if anywhere on the circuit, anywhere from the back of the truck all the way to the front of the axle, all the way up into the dash, anywhere of that gets shorted to ground, you will get this code, and it just says pretty much modulator commons short to ground, and it's a nightmare to find. As you can see, I got the dash all torn apart. These internationals are famous for having shorts in the dash because they just run the wiring over all the pretty much sheet metal cut brackets, and they short out pretty good. So test all that, remove all the modulator valves, all the ABS valves, find no corrosion there. So then you got to do a good old wiggle test on these, because a lot of times it's intermittent, and of course this one, the indication that it was a problem there was 57 counts, so a high count of this code and the driver complaint of an ABS light issue. So anyways, I'll show you where I found this one, as there's been multiple counts of this fault on different trucks, and I found it always somewhere different, but I'll just show you where I found this one at. As you can see, I just grabbed the common circuit off of, that's the rear traction control valve, so the rear TCV. Just grabbed a common circuit there, and I just grabbed just a random ground to the frame, hooked up there, and I just started wiggling the wires until I got a short to ground. And thankfully this one wasn't too bad. This one only took me about 4 hours to find. You can see my meter. Boom, short to ground right here. So it's on the bottom bolt of this step. Kind of hard to see in there, but I'm probably gonna have to pull this battery box out, because underneath this goes all the way back. This was really hard to get to, and I don't think I'll be able to get enough slack from this wiring harness if I cut the zip ties. But yeah, right down in there you can hear my meter going. That's what's kicking off the whole ABS traction control circuit. But yeah, good find here. I'm happy with this. The previous ones, I think the previous truck took me like 12 hours to find where the fault was, and it was by the battery box. And another one took me like 18 hours, and that one was in the dash. They had a panel screw ran through, and it was run right into the harness. So this one here, thankfully, like I said, took me like 4 hours to find, so it wasn't too bad. But yeah, this code is, I would say, the worst ABS code to diagnose, because you don't know where it's at if it's an intermittent issue. So that's it. All right, well, thankfully I was able to pull it up enough. Right here, you can see this is where the problem is, where it was shorted out on that bolt. Right in there. Right there, that's causing all the grief. So I'll fix that up, and that'll be good to go. Just gotta throw all the interior and stuff back together, and that's it.